Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipe. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making pesto, roasted broccoli, and fennel. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add in the broccoli, fennel, onion, pesto, olive oil, salt and pepper, and toss together. Before placing your vegetables on the sheet pan, line it with tinfoil and spray with non-stick cooking spray for easy cleanup. Make sure the sheet pan is large enough to hold the vegetables in a single layer so they receive an even bake. Roast for 25 to 35 minutes until crisp tender and the tips of some of the florets are lightly browned. Serve in a bowl and garnish with pine nuts. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.